Greek Week continues the competition that involves some tailgating outside of Tailgate Terrace Wednesday night.
We're having a grill-off / bake-off. The different organizations can pick whether they want to have a grilled good or a baked good, and we get judged on those categories.
The competition is heating up, but one fraternity member feels like his fraternity has a chance.
I think we worked really hard on ours, and I think we do have a chance to maybe make the tops, but I've seen some of the other guys out here, they've made some great dishes, and it's going to be a hard race.
This year, the Greek Week Committee added a new addition to the tailgate to boost more attendance.
Well, this year we really tried to make it bigger. We want to get promoted as high of attendance as we possibly can, and so we add different aspects to the tailgate event, such as the stroll-off that starts right after tailgate, to try and boost attendance and raise more money for our philanthropies.
The score for the tailgate will be released later this week.
We'll have first, second, and place, and they'll get different points based on what place they get.
Yolanda Allen, TrojanVision News.